Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys this problem in Technophone. Guys we have got this problem guys, this ghost setting as you can see. So friends, you want to solve this problem in your Technophone. So friends, how can you solve it in this video guys? I will show you guys. You can see guys your phone screen color is different, everything is different. So guys, how can you solve this problem in this video guys? I will show you friends. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to solve this problem. Then guys we will on it, then guys scroll it, and friends you can see the stuff setting guys, click on guys your special function setting, then tap here, accessibility setting and tap here, then guys scroll it again, then guys you can see this color inversion setting and tap here, then guys you can see this icon and tap here, then guys you can see guys everything is fine in your phone guys. You can check guys, you can operate your phones, you can use your apps without any problem friends. So are you fans, you have understood how to solve color inversion problem, means like how to solve phone color problem in a techno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.